Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are all well and good. Today we are going to write an essay on uses of mobile phones, uses and abuses of smartphones. Mobile phones have revolutionized our lives since many years. Mobile phones provide us the opportunity to talk with our friends and relatives with one touch. They have redefined connectivity and communication, but high-tech smartphones have also turned out to be handy devices for antisocial elements. Smartphones have their uses and misuses. So first we talk uses of smartphones. The wireless connection all across the world is one of the major uses of smartphones. Smartphones provide quick internet connection in any place around the globe. We can make video calls to our loved ones. All of the smartphones have special features like maps, etc. If we are new somewhere and have lost our way, we can get help using our smartphones. There are numbers of applications like calculator, torch, calendar, etc. in almost every smartphone. One can get help from these applications whenever needed. We can call or chat with our friends or family members for hours. With the introduction of a number of worthy packages and Wi-Fi based messengers for us to avail. Now we talk misuses of smartphones. On one side, if smartphones have some advantages, there are some drawbacks of this gadget. It is a fact that parents allow their kids to use smartphones at an early age. However, unfortunately, many times it has been observed that these children do not make use of it in a proper manner. They spend hours talking to their friends on social media, not for good purpose but to gossip, and thus waste their time. They prefer indoor games like those in the mobile rather than the outdoor games. This can impact negatively on their minds and physical fitness. Some of the common misuses of smartphones are cameras loaded in all smartphones. These cameras can be used to take pictures of women and innocent children. These pictures are then usually morphed, maneuvered and circulated on the internet and can be used for any negative purpose. Texting can also be used to misuse or track people. Smartphones have been known to be used by corrupt elements. Burglars and criminals can plan out of a number of bad activities using mobile phones. Thus, smartphones, if on one side area blessing, then on the other side they can create disasters in our lives and society. It is always advisable to make use of smartphones for positive and useful purpose and not for negative activities.